Top 5 Best Wire Tracker. Here is the item number 5. Maschem S681812 400 volts oltage wire rope tracker. The transmitter is integrated with the function of AC/DC voltmeter, which can measure 12 to 400 volts AC/DC voltage on a linear basis. The screen of the transmitter can display preset transmitting power, transmitted codes, its own battery energy, mains voltage detected, AC/DC status of mains voltage detected, and warning symbol for mains voltage. Auto power off within 10 minutes. Flashlight function. Here is the item number 4. TDR Measured Length Network Cable Tester. Benefits of the products: tone traces cable with complete AC flighter. TF card function to export data from computer, 50 sets, TXT format, to scan modes, common switch and post switch. 3.7 volts lithium battery for power supply and 2.8-inch color screen. NF8601S receiver specifications. Cable test types: STP UTP-5E, 6E network, telephone, coaxial cable. Here is the item number 3. Multifunctional LCD network cable tester. Benefits of the products: big LCD color screen 320x240. Function of storage and memory. Currency detection and lighting lamp. Automatic delay power on off. Low voltage alarm function. Lithium battery for more efficient work. Measure cable length accurately. Voltage detecting function. 8 remotes included, improving work efficiency. Memory and storage function, export or upload the data from PC. Here is the item number 2. NOYAFA-NF-704 CCTV Monitor Tester. Benefits of the products: 2 kinds of language, Chinese and English, can be selected. Video level testing, video signals measured in IROMV. Audio input testing and PTZ continuing rotate test. Digital multimeter, voltage, current, resistance and capacitance can be tested, continuity testing, diode testing. Check open, short, cross reverse wire map for RJ45 and BNC cable. Here is the item number 1. NF8601 propane LCD cable length test. Benefits of the products: big LCD color screen 320x240. Function of storage and memory. Currency detection and lighting lamp. Automatic delay power on off. Low voltage alarm function. Lithium battery for more efficient work. Port flash function help trace LAN cable connected to speaker or router visually, no need of receiver. Capable of scanning cable on post switch without damaging the device. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video. Subscribe this channel.